Hello guys and welcome. Today we have this cubic equation right here and we have to find all the values of x that will satisfy the equation. But before we begin, feel free to pause the video and try it first. Are you done? Cool. Now let's get started. First of all, let's maintain this x to the third power right here, simply because we just want the leading coefficient to be positive so that we can easily deal with it. And to do that, in fact, we have to minus x squared and minus 2x right here, and then do the exact same thing on the left. So that, in fact, on the left, we will be left with x to the third power minus x squared minus 2x. Then on the right hand side, this and this will go, this and this will also go, and we'll be left with 0. Looking at this equation carefully, you can see that x is common. So let's go ahead and then factor out x so that the inside will be left with x squared minus x minus 2, and this is equal to 0. Product of two factors is 0. We can actually say that x is equal to 0 as one of the solutions, or x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Looking at this quadratic equation very carefully, you can easily tell that factoring method will work. We just need two factors that their product will be -2, but their sum will be -1. And that is pretty much simple, right? It's going to be -2 and +1. If you put this in the equation, it's going to be x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Considering these two terms, x is common, so we can just take x out and be left with x plus 1. Then from these two terms, we can also take -2 out, so that the inside will be left with x plus 1. And this is 0. We see that x plus 1 is common, so we can also take that one out, so that we will have x plus 1. Then here we'll be left with x, and here we'll be left with -2. And this is 0. Product of two factors, we can also form two equations out of this. In fact, the first one is going to be x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then the second one is going to be x minus 2 is 0. Considering the first one, if we minus 1 on each side of the equation, we will end up getting x is equal to -1. Then with this second one, if we add 2 to each side of the equation, we will end up getting x is equal to +2. So in total, we have 3 solutions. This is the first one, this is the second one, and the third one. That is pretty much it. Comment down below the answer that you got when you tried. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe for more, and see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.